Hi guys, today we have Hyundai Elantra 2020 model American specs. Get this car by bank finance only 850 dirham per month. Zero down payment, free insurance, free registration, free Salik, free evaluation. Come and check the car. Super neat and clean car, no any paint and major accident. And you can get this car through bank finance. Documents required: salary certificate, passport visa copy, Emirates ID, and last 3 month bank statement. About the feature and rest detail, we will show you in the video. You can see all around of the car.
I tried so hard and got so far, but in the end, it doesn't even matter. I had to fall to lose it all, but in the end, it doesn't even matter.